Hi everybody, it's B-Boy Corpse, also known as K23. Okay, Cypher Rangers crew, I'm the Black Cypher as you can see. But I'm Mexican, so don't get it twisted in your mind because I'm Mexican, I'm brown. Okay, today we're gonna learn air tracks. These are the shit. Okay, you're gonna get your stretch on, you're gonna, like that. You gotta learn flares first because in order to do this move, you gotta learn flares or you're gonna fuck yourself this side too, so you're gonna be lopsided. Don't walk like you got down up in the booty. In the booty, okay? Okay. Okay, there we go. Get your Buddha on too. You're gonna have to get your arm stretched. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is get our wrist strength so we don't break our shit when we go in the air. That's why it's called an air track, people. Okay. Step 1. Find a CD. Okay, y'all ready for this? Be amazed. Did you just see that air track? Oh my god! Beastin' again for the slow learners. Oh my god! Air track! Oh my god!